Hello, future engineers. Here is another video in plane and solid analytic geometry, and this is about finding the point of intersection between tangents and finding the lengths of subtangents and subnormals. The interesting part is you have to participate in the discussion because I created another problem or an extension of this problem for you to answer also. So here is the problem. Find the point of intersection of the tangents to the ellipse 16x squared plus 25y squared equals 400 at the points where x is negative 3 and y is 16 over 5. So if the problem is to be remade, then I want you to verify that when x is negative 3, y is 16 over 5. Actually, it may be one ordinate coordinate that is given in the problem and you solve for the other value. But I completed the points of tangency here so that the problem can be shortened. Anyway, you should be able to know how to find the other partner or pairs of coordinates given one value of the coordinate. So also find the lengths of the subtangent and subnormal. So let's transform this into the standard form. This is an ellipse with center at the origin, dividing everything by 400. So we have x squared over 5 square plus y squared over 4 square equals 1. With ellipse, semi-major axis 5, semi-minor axis 4, center at the origin. Then for the equation of the tangents by analytic geometry approach, we have 16 times xxt, remember the technique, plus 25 yyt equals 400. So for the first point of tangency, we substitute xt negative 3 and yt 16 over 5. So 16x times negative 3 plus 25y times 16 over 5 equals 400, simplifying negative 48x plus 80y equals negative 400. Simplifying further, you have 3x minus 5y equals negative 25 or equals positive 5. Positive 5, positive 25. So 3x after multiplying everything or dividing everything by 16. So negative 16 rather. So 3x minus 5y equals 25. That's the first tangent. And let's have the ellipse center at the origin with major axis 5, semi-major axis 5, semi-minor axis 4. And for the second, that's the first point of tangency. That's the tangent one. Uh, y-intercept is 5. Y-intercept is 5. So that's the first tangent one. Then for the second tangent, we simply substitute xt equals 4 and yt is equals negative 12 over 5. So 16x times 4 plus 25y negative 12 over 5 equals 400. Simplifying, that's 64x minus 60y equals 400. Simplifying further, that's 16x minus 15y equals 100. Tangent 2. So point of tangency 4 comma negative 12 and the second tangent is as shown. So tangents 1 and 2 will definitely meet somewhere there, very far. So to find that point of intersection, we simply solve equations for tangent 1 and tangent 2 simultaneously using your calculator or by elimination. We get the point of intersection which is at 25 comma 20. We then proceed by finding the lengths of subtangents and subnormals. For the first tangent, this the the x-intercept of the first tangent is we simply set y equals 0 and solve for x, which is at negative 25. So this is negative 48x plus 80y equals 400. That's why after we divide everything by negative 16, we get 3x minus 5y equals negative 25. So that's why the x-intercept of the first tangent is setting y equals 0, negative 25 over 3, which is there. So if the coordinates there is negative 25 over 3 comma 0, this is the subtangent for tangent 1, TS1, and that is right x negative 3 minus negative 25 over 3. So TS1 is negative 3 minus quantity negative 25 over 3, and that is equal to 16 over 3. Another way, if you use the formula, it is equal to yt 16 over 5 divided by the slope of tangent 1, which is the slope of tangent 1 is 3/5. So 16 over 5 divided by 3/5, that would be 16 thirds, cancel 5. So it's correct, absolute value. Now for normal one, we draw a line perpendicular to this, and this horizontal projection of normal line 1 is the normal length of the subnormal 1. To find the equation of normal 1, since it is perpendicular to that first tangent, we simply interchange coefficients and change the sign, and it passes through this point. So 5x plus 3y equals 5 times negative 3 plus 3 times 16 over 5. Simplifying that, that's 5x plus 3y equals negative 25 over 7. So meaning when y is 0, the x-intercept is negative 25 over 25, and we will show that here. Negative 27 over 25 rather. We will show that here. So this is the subnormal one, this length here, projection of normal line 1, and it is equal to negative 27 over 25 minus negative 3. So normal subnormal 1 is negative 27 over 25 minus negative 3, and that is equal to positive 48 over 25. Another way of solving subnormal 1, it is equal to the slope of tangent line 1, which is 3/5 times yt, which is 16 over 5, and that is 3/5 times 16 over 5, that's 48 over 25 definitely. For tangent 2, the y-intercept here is setting y0 100 over 16, or that's 25 over 4. So this is the horizontal projection of tangent 2, and this is equal to 25 over 4 minus 4. So TS2, 25 over 4 minus 4, and that is equal to 9 over 4. If you use the formula, it is absolute value of negative 12 over 5 yt2 divided by slope of tangent 2, which is equal to 16 over 15. And when absolute value of negative 12 over 5 is divided by 16 over 15, that should be 9 over 4. Next, for the normal 2, this is the horizontal projection, and this is the length of subnormal 2. For the intersection with the x-axis, or the x-intercept of normal 2, we find first the equation of normal 2 perpendicular to T2. This is T2, so 15x plus 16y equals 15 times 4 plus 16 times negative 12 over 5. Simplifying, 15x plus 16y equals 105 over 8. That's normal 2. Setting y equals 0 to find this x-intercept of normal 2. Then it is equal to that value, 36 over 25, comma 0, when y is 0. So the horizontal projection is the subnormal 2, and that is 4 minus 36 over 25. So 4 minus 36 over 25 is equal to 64 over 25. Another way of finding the length of the subnormal 2 is using the formula slope of tangent 2, which is 16 over 15 times yt negative 12 over 5, but absolute value. 16 over 15 times 12 over 25, 12 over 5, absolute value is 64 over 25. So that's it for this part. And for your part, I extend this problem. Find the lengths of subtangent and subnormal at the point there, 4 comma 12 over 5, and I want you to find the intersection of the tangents, this and tangent 1. The answer should be 1 comma 28 over 5. For the length of subtangent, TS is 9 over 4. Tangent to the point here, I want you to draw that, and subnormal is equal to 64 over 25. So that's it for this video.